Right, so sometimes we want to compare, instead of numbers, we want to compare our words. So words are stored in string variables, and string variables are a little bit different. So I'm going to make a string variable, name, and we'll say Ms. R. Okay. And now I want to know is healthy, but I want to know if it's Miss R. So I'm going to add to this name, and instead of using equal signs for words, we use the actual equals method, which again is a capital in C#. Those of you used to using Java, is the small in Java, it's capital in C#. Equals, and then I put in here the string that I want to be equal to, and I'm just going to put Miss R, and I'm going to say and. Alright, so we already know, we'll change this. We already know this other part is true, right? One of these is true. In fact, I'll just go ahead and make both of them true just for kicks. Alright. Okay. So, let's see. It should, if this one's true and we already know this one's true, it should print out healthy. So let's build first. Alright, it's happy. Go back to Unity and run it. And it's still saying false. Okay. Now why? Well, you notice I wrote this Miss R and this is written Miss R. What's the difference? Well, they're the same words, but this one has capitals and that one doesn't. So let's try. We will rebuild this, resave, and then go back to our Unity and see if we can get true this time. There we go. Now we have true. So when it's comparing strings, it has to compare the capitals too, not just the words, but the capitals. It also care about the space and this dot in this case. All right. Now there is a method to make it so you don't have to worry about the capitals. And what you do is after you write the word, in quotes, because this is a string, use something called system. And see, I'm just typing a little bit and I'm letting the thing help, trying to go to its help. System, okay, dot, and string, capital, string, and it is called the string comparison, and then dot, oops, pop me out because of this stupid touchpad, dot, okay, and then we want ordinal, ignore case. Alright, that's a mouthful, and you saw how it did the help. There are also, if you misspelled one of these or you missed one of the capitals, it won't work. Alright, so that's why I used the help, and I just got that by continuing on you know, in the dots and typing slowly. And so, but if you could also copy paste it from another code that you had. Just my word of advice is make sure you get it very right. Okay, so stop and run. And now, even though the capitals are different, it is running true. So a little bit about strings and conditionals. In summary, strings are picky about the letters and the capitals because a capital R is different than a little r to a computer. There is a ignore case method written like this.